Good morning, 8th class. Today we are starting our new chapter, narration. This is chapter of our grammar portion it is. Read the sentence given in the two boxes, box A and box B. Two boxes are given here. These sentences are in indirect speech. Tarun said to Ruchi, I got an A plus in my history assignment. It is our direct speech. Tarun told Ruchi that he got an A plus in his history assignment and it is our indirect speech. So things which you have to remember, those are that there are two parts of narration. First is our reported verb and second is our reported speech. Reported verb tell ourselves about tense, and reported speech means sayings of this person as it is. If we are saying it to somebody else, then it is called speech, reported speech. क्योंकि ये किसके टेंसेस हैं? तरुण said to रुचि, तरुण ने कहा, तो ये तरुण की स्पीच है. सो दिस पार्ट इज कॉल्ड रिपोर्टेड स्पीच. एंड tense of reported speech will convert according to the reported verb. If reported verb is in present tense, it will be in present. If this part of narration is in past tense, it will be also in past tense. If it is in future, it will be also accordingly. तो ये reported verb के according, reported verb के tense के according reported speech हमारी इसका जो है वो tense change होता है. These are quite simple. You can read it. Solutions are also given here. Read the examples given below and note the difference between direct and indirect speech. Let's see. Riddhi says, it is our reported verb. I want to learn French and it is our reported speech. क्योंकि ये सेंटेंस किसने कहा है? रिद्धि ने कहा है. देखिए says में, और यहाँ इन्वर्टेड कॉमास हमारे रिमूव हो गए और उसको हमने कनेक्ट करने के लिए, टेंस को कनेक्ट करने के लिए क्या यूज किया है? दैट. रिद्धि says I want to learn French. Riddhi says that she wants to learn French. If reported verb is in present tense, then there will be no change in the tense of reported speech. Try to understand it. अगर हमारा reported verb present tense में है, तो reported speech का tense हमारा उसी tense में रहेगा. इसके according change नहीं होगा. Next is our next tense. It is our direct speech. Ankit said to Riya, I will go to Malaysia next week. Ankit said to convert in told. Said to किस में convert हो गया? Told में. Again, in these commas were removed and connector is our that. And will is converted into would. क्योंकि हमारा reported verb किस tense में है? Past tense में है. तो will किस में convert हो गया? Would में convert हो गया reported speech का. Ankit told Riya that he would go to Malaysia the following week. This passage you have to read. These are very much important. ये आपकी सिर्फ अननेसेसरी चीज नहीं है, ये आपकी कंप्लीट इंफॉर्मेशन है. These you must know. Next is our Isha says the teacher will check the notebooks tomorrow. Look here. It is our present indefinite tense and it is our future indefinite tense. Look the change. Isha said that the teacher will check the notebooks tomorrow. As I have already told you कि जब हमारा reported verb present indefinite tense में होगा तो reported speech का tense change नहीं होगा. These things you have to learn. Says में ही रहेगा. Says to will convert into tells. Said and said to in told. These I will again tell you in coming sentences. Isha will say the teacher will check the notebooks tomorrow. If reported verb and reported speech both are in future tense, there will be no change in tense. देखिए reported verb भी हमारी future tense में है और reported speech भी हमारी कौन से tense में है? Future tense में. Let's see its solution. Isha will say that the teacher will check the notebooks tomorrow. Isha said the teacher will check the notebooks tomorrow. Here, which change you have observed? टेंस इज अवर पास्ट टेंस, ये हमारा पास्ट टेंस है. द टीचर विल चेक द नोटबुक्स टुमारो, तो ये विल किस में कन्वर्ट हो गया, वुड में कन्वर्ट हो गया. ईशा सेड दैट द टीचर वुड चेक द नोटबुक्स द नेक्स्ट डे. नेक्स्ट इज अवर ईशा सेड टू कन्वर्टेड इन टोल्ड. ईशा said to Ritu, the teacher will check the notebooks tomorrow. Isha told, said to, told में convert हो गया. Ritu as it is, and invertation removed, and there is a connector that. The teacher will convert into would check the notebooks the next day. These are the things which will change according to the demand of tense. Is, am, are, in, was, were. लेकिन ये कब होगा, सिर्फ तब जब हमारा रिपोर्टेड वर्ब कौन से टेंस में है, पास्ट टेंस में, तभी रिपोर्टेड स्पीच भी हमारा ये चेंज होगा. अदरवाइज देयर विल बी नो चेंज इन टेंस. These things you have to read it carefully, and this is for you at home. You can do it, you can read it. Listen carefully now. If reported verb is in past tense, अगर reported verb past tense में है तो देखिए कौन सा tense किस में change होगा. Reported verb is in past tense, then present indefinite tense will convert into past indefinite tense. Present continuous tense will convert into past continuous. Present perfect into past perfect, and past indefinite into past perfect. I hope you will read it again. पास्ट परफेक्ट में हमारे दो टेंसेस चेंज होंगे, एक तो हमारा प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट और दूसरा हमारा पास्ट इंडेफिनिट में. बट इन विच कंडीशन, इफ अवर रिपोर्टेड स्पीच इज इन पास्ट टेंस. लेट्स सी द एक्सरसाइज. द प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैज अनाउंस्ड अ रिलीफ पैकेज फॉर द फार्मर्स, said the reporter. The reporter said that the prime minister had announced a relief package for the farmers. Invertation removed and connected is our that. Next is our Mohit says, I will invite all my friends to my birthday party. Mohit says that, here will be that, he will invite all his friends on his birthday party. Amar said to Priya that his class teacher had agreed to grant him 2 weeks leave. Has agreed, it is our present perfect tense. Present perfect, it converted into past perfect. Present perfect किस में convert हो गया, past perfect में convert हो गया. Rajesh said to Kusum, I lost my mobile phone yesterday. It is our past indefinite tense, and it is our past indefinite tense. Both are our past indefinite tense. Listen it carefully. Said to किस में कन्वर्ट हो गया, टोल्ड में. एंड फॉर रिमूवल विल पुट हियर दैट. राजेश टोल्ड टू कुसुम दैट ही हैड लॉस्ट हिज मोबाइल फोन लास्ट डे. लास्ट डे विल कन्वर्ट इन, yesterday will convert into last day. Listen, past indefinite converted into past perfect. रिपोर्टेड स्पीच हमारा कौन से टेंस में था, पास्ट इंडेफिनिट में, तो ये किस में कन्वर्ट हो गया, पास्ट परफेक्ट में. Rajesh told Kusum that he had lost his mobile phone last day. Next is Ritu said to Amma, you have not finished your homework yet. Ritu said to convert it into told. Ritu told Amma that she had not finished her homework then. Present perfect in past perfect. Next is our Pawan said, we have bought a new house. We are shifting to the new house next week. Pawan said that they had bought a new house. They, it is in our past. So they are shifting to the new house next week, coming week. Next week will be coming week. So these are simple sentences. You can do it yourself, or with the help of your parents or elder brother or sister, you can complete it, this exercise. Next, 7th point is, mother said that she Mother said, I am glad you have reached home in time. The weather is getting really bad. Mother said that she किसके लिए यूज हुआ है? मदर के लिए. कि मदर क्या है? एम किस में कन्वर्ट हो गया? वॉज में, बिकॉज इट इज अवर present indefinite tense and it will convert into past indefinite tense. So mother told that she was glad. Here object is not given. Listen it carefully. Of course it will be me. Mother said to me, I am glad you have reached home in time. The weather is getting really bad. Mother said that she was glad I have किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा? had reached home in time. The weather is convert into was. Weather was getting really bad. So these are some sentences which you have to do yourself. ये हमारा डायरेक्ट स्पीच है, इसे आप इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में कन्वर्ट करने का ट्राई कीजिए. इट इज वेरी मच इजी. इन आवर नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज we'll do question marks, mark of interrogation. These you have to read. Solution we'll do in our next lecture.